Right guys, and today I've got a review on the iPhone glass, which is crap, but it's not actually that one. It's about one that I've just ordered and let's open it. I'm a kid, so I'm 14, so I'm going to pretty much open it as fast as I could. Kind of did that without thinking about the review. So, sorry, open. Comes with a Angry Birds case and the back of the phone, which you would expect. I'm sure you can see that. It's like mirrored. You can see. So let's set the case. Give it a phone to make sure it doesn't get damaged. It comes with the screen protector for the postage and packaging or shipping. There we have it. That is the thing. As you can see your reflection. Yeah, and it's really nice. I saw it and I fell in love with it because it's like Chrome, and I like Chrome because I've got a Chrome light. Yeah, I like Chrome. It was £10, and considering it is a proper case or proper glass back for your phone, and you get an Angry Birds case with it, and Angry Birds sick to some people, it is good. Very good. Right. So as for it yourself, I've got a tip for you. If you're going to buy off the internet, you're going to buy a glass backing plate for your phone, make sure it has these little fit, like, I don't know what to call them, you'll see them. They're like little pointy up bits. Sorry, like pointy up bits. These are the bits that actually lock into your phone. If you don't have these, you just wasted your money. It won't even lock onto the phone, basically. So make sure you have that. As for the phone itself, everyday iPhone. And what you'll need is, depends on what model phone you have. If you've got, I think, when the iPhone 4 came out originally, it only had a normal Phillips screwdriver for it. Nope. Yeah, you know what I mean. A screwdriver for it. A 4-point. But now they've got like 5 points, as you can see. You can't really see it because this is on my mom's computer and it's really bad. So that's that. You need that. You need your phone. Right. See the screws on the bottom? You just need to take them out, both of them, and make sure you put them in the safe place. Yes, I have got a Juno top on, but I don't like this crap. That shouldn't happen, but it's happened to me. Because, yeah. Right, once you've done that, see the back? Pull it, and you've got your finger on the camera thing. Or, you can just go like this. See? Slid up a bit. See that? It slid up a bit. Tiny, tiny bit. And then, it should just fall off. Oh, sorry. Very, very easy. And that cracked. So you need that. Yep. Yeah. New case. Simple as. Right, I'll do it with one hand. Yeah, you can do it. I'm gonna make myself do it. Forward. Right. Yeah. One hand. Slide up. New phone case. Perfect. Very nice. You can see. It's your opinion if you don't like it, but yeah. Got all the certified stuff on it. See? Yeah. So that's the iPhone 4 case thingamabob. Yeah. Oh, yeah. One thing, you might want to put the screws back in. So that's the iPhone 4 case thing. You can get it on Amazon or eBay. Just I don't actually know what the brand of this is because they didn't give me a brand, so it's pretty annoying. But they're like 99% seller. I'm like, yeah. I always check the sellers like ratings and stuff or actually online because a lot of people I know have been scammed. Like on this BMX website, I know a lot of people have been scammed. So yeah, so that's it from me. iReview42. If you can give us a rate, a like, or subscribe, that'd be fantastic. And if you would like me to review anything of your choice, such as battery or an app or a case, as such, I'm going to be getting a waterproof case soon, so that'll be pretty good. Case. Yeah. So if you want to do that, then just leave us a comment and just comment, and I will get back to you. Right. Cheers. That's it. Bye.